G'day legends, and welcome on board. Let's hit the road and make our way to beautiful Phillip Island together. Our first stop is the iconic Brighton Beach Boxes. Take in the colourful coastline and let your guide snap the first photos of the day.
Next up is Moonlit Sanctuary, where it's all about Australia's incredible native wildlife. Hand feed kangaroos and wallabies, spot koalas resting in the trees, or check out the conservation show to see cockatoos, dingoes, owls, and other local animals in action. During summer, we also stop at the breathtaking Cape Woolamai. Breathe in the fresh ocean air and soak up one of Phillip Island's most iconic coastal views.
Then it's time to explore the Nobbies boardwalk, where rugged cliffs and crashing waves create an unforgettable backdrop. And with a bit of luck, you might even spot a seal along the coastline.
As the sun sets, watch the little penguins emerge from the ocean and waddle home across the beach. Your guide will share hot tips on the best boardwalk viewing spots before you follow these little fellas on their final mission of the day. After an unforgettable evening, sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey back to Melbourne. We can't wait to welcome you on board. Go West Tours. Our people are the difference.